All right, so we're looking at the Remington WETech trimmer razor. It's electric, it's battery powered, pretty nice, rechargeable. As you can see, it's charging over there. It's 100% waterproof, and I went from a non-waterproof one to this one, and I'm kind of glad I did, because it allows me to do a wet shave using shaving cream. Just makes the experience a little bit better, and I think honestly makes the cut a little closer to the skin. And I have some scarring on my face and stuff that requires me to use an electric razor instead of a safety razor or anything like that. So this is the way to go for me. And the cool thing about it is you get your foil pack. I haven't used this one yet because I don't really like these. I like just using a straight trimmer. It's got some guides for different lengths. I can go ahead and pull this off and show you how loud this thing is. Stand by. All right, so here it is. Fits in your hand very comfortably. It's got a nice little, feels almost like a silicone grip. Looks like a proprietary plug-in port for the power. I used it the other day, so it's a little grubby. Now I will say one thing this does not come with is a cleaning brush. So pick yourself up a little brush to go with this, or if you are disposing of a previous one, keep your brush, because this does not come with a brush. Why it doesn't come with a cleaning brush, I have no idea, but that's my only complaint with this. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. Nice. And when you want to change the heads, you just push these in and pop that head off and put on the foil shaver. Very cool. I like it. It is pretty powerful. The lifetime on the battery is about, it says 70 hours on the box. I've never really had any need to leave it off the charger. I like keeping it ready to go, so I haven't really tested that, but it says 70 minutes. I guess it depends on your mileage and your use. I did use this with some shave cream. It was a little bit difficult to navigate, so make sure you put your shave cream kind of exactly where you want to shave. But that's pretty much using shaving cream. That's just the way it goes with shaving creams. So yeah, overall, pretty great. I like it. But other than that, yeah, this is pretty awesome. This is probably the best one I've had so far, and I've been using this style razor for over 20 years. So they've definitely evolved. So yeah, if you need a wet shave and you want to be able to shave and trim and all kinds of stuff in the shower or wherever, this thing comes in handy. All right, and yes, you can use shave soaps and shave cream with this. I have done it. I've tried it. All right, on to the next.